Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can connect CJ dropshipping on Shopify. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how you can import products from CJ to Shopify, how you can ship the products. By the way, CJ dropshipping, the reason why a lot of people use CJ dropshipping is they can do everything for you, and they also offer fast shipping compared to AliExpress if you are using AliExpress. Now the reason why people use CJ, like I said, is the shipping time. As you can see here, it says here DHL official 3 to 7 days, and it says here like the another shipping method, which is packet fast ordinary. The shipping time or the delivery time is 4 to 9 days. Now they offer very fast shipping, and also they source and ship the product for you. Okay, now I'm gonna explain this to you in a few seconds. Now first, let me show you guys how you can how you can connect CJ to Shopify. Now you want to create an account on CJ. That's the first thing you need to do, guys. You just need to click on register or sign in the top right, okay, and then you want to create an account there. Now after you create an account, you want to click on authorization in the top left, and you want to select Shopify in the top. As you can see here, guys, it says you haven't authorized any stores yet. Now I just created, this is a new like account on CJ. That's why it says here I haven't authorized, because I want to show you guys how you can add your Shopify store to CJ. Okay, now what you guys need to do, you want to click on add store, and then you want to click on authorize. It will take you directly, guys, to Shopify app store. As you can see, you just need to download this app. It's called CJ Dropshipping much faster. Make sure the developer name is CJ Dropshipping. Now when I click on install, and after that, guys, you want to click on install again. Now after you install this app, guys, what you guys need to do next is as you can see here, you just need to create an account on CJ, or you just need to log in into your account. Okay, it says here you have logged into this account before. Please confirm. I'm going to click on authorize, confirm, again authorize. That's it. Now it says here authorization success. Now we have successfully linked our Shopify store to CJ dropshipping. Now what we are going to do next is we are going to import products, and then I'm going to be showing you the next steps. Now in the top, guys, you can see here search winning products by keyword. What you guys need, you just need to search for a product that you want to import to your Shopify store. Okay, now I'm going to import, for example, like makeup products. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, you will find a bunch of products here, as you can see. Now you can find like a lot of winning products here. After you find the product that you want to dropship on a Shopify, or you want to import to your Shopify, just click on it. So I'm going to choose, for example, okay, I'm going to choose, okay, this one. Now let's say that you want to start importing products to your Shopify. Now what you need to do, you just need to open any product, and if you scroll down, you will see here list here. You want to click on list, and here you will find your Shopify store, as you can see. And here where it says China warehouse, it selects China automatically, as you can see, because this product is only available in China. Now what you guys need to do next, you want to, where it says ship my most order to, you want to select United States. If you are targeting United States, of course. If you are targeting another country, you can choose it here. Now it says here shipping method, you want to select here CJ packet, because they offer very fast shipping. Where it says here product type, you just need to, for example, dogs. Okay, click confirm. Where it says here collections, vendor, you just need to add, for example, my store as an example. Click on confirm. Now if you scroll down, guys, as you can see, it says here the total dropshipping cost is $6. So if you sell this product on your Shopify store, if someone purchases this product from your Shopify store, CJ will take $6 of the sale. Okay, so you need to increase the price. Where it says your price, you need to increase it to, for example, $12. so that you will be left with $6 profit. That's if you are using TikTok organic free traffic. If you are using Facebook ads, you still have to increase it, for example, to $20 because you are still going to pay for advertising. Now, I use TikTok organic free traffic. I just let TikTok promote my videos, my products. I just make like videos about a specific product. It could be about dogs or cats. That's exactly what you need to do, guys. I think you need to take advantage of TikTok to promote your products from Shopify. Now, after you enter here your price, you want to click on list it now. As you can see, it says here listing in progress. You may check listing status in on listing. Listed products can be managed in listed. Now you just need to wait a few seconds and this product will be imported, guys, to your Shopify store. Now if you go to your Shopify, if you click on products, you will find that exact product. You will find it here. As you can see, this is the product we have imported to our Shopify store. Okay, now that's exactly what you need. Now each time you just need to promote this product. Okay, you need to promote it, for example, on TikTok or Facebook. After someone buys this product from you, CJ will be able, guys, to have the address of the customer and they will ship the product automatically to the customer. So you don't really have to do anything. You just need to drive traffic to your Shopify store. So for a full video about how you can start dropshipping from CJ to Shopify, click the video in the screen. It will help you a lot. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. Just comment below. I will reply to you guys within a few hours. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.